So good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, and how is your day going so far?
Yeah, my day is going on very well. Yeah, and how is your practice going on? How have you been?
Actually, my life is, you can say, hectic, so I don't get that much time. But yeah, I'm trying somehow.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, we are meeting very fast time. Yeah. So before
Yes,
starting
yes,
our
sir.
conversation, we should introduce ourselves. So first of all, please say something about yourself.
Yes, yes. My name is Supriya. I'm from Maharashtra. I live in a small village. I'm a homemaker, and my husband is farmer, so I help him in farming. I'm blessed with two kids. If I talk about my education, I'm 12th pass. I'm blessed with two kids, and my children are 3 years old. And I'm learning this language just for my children. They will going to school next year, so that's why I'm learning this language. Yeah, that's all about me. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I like reading, singing, listening to songs, and yeah, so like driving, riding, like this. Yeah, that's all about me and learning new things.
Yes, yes. It is wonderful introduction from your side. And ma'am, may I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, sure.
First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am
So
Santanu Das.
actually,
I am connecting from West Bengal, and by professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. And my goal is I want to become a good English speaker right now. That's why also I am learning this language. And apart from that, I am running my one YouTube channel which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction.
yes, I know. I know about your channel. I have seen your some videos, so I know about your channel.
Yes. And
Sometime I watch your videos.
yes, and ma'am, how long have you been learning this language?
Actually, if I talk about learning, so I'm learning this language more than 1 year, but I was just learning through listening and watching some English contents on YouTube. But I think 1 or half month ago, I started speaking, but not that much simultaneously. But not that much consistently. But yeah, I'm learning this language from speaking part 1.5 months.
Yes. And ma'am, earlier did you join any coaching center? Did you join any institute for your speaking English?
No. No, no, no. Whatever I have learned just throughout the YouTube. And I started in initial time. I started just watching some basic grammar videos, and then I got interest in English language. So I started watching some, animated simple English stories, and then when I start to understand a little, then I started watching conversation videos. So throughout those videos, I have learned.
Yes, yes, yes. My English speaking journey as well like you, and I have been learning this language around 2 years, but I have been speaking English around 1 year. And before speaking English, I have completed the all grammatical rules. And I used to watch so many grammatical video on the YouTube channel. And I never joined any coaching center. I did not go anywhere. Always staying at my home and using my smartphone. I am learning this language. Yeah, and and during my study I was very weak English subject, and at that time I did not know how to speak how to learn how to make a sentence in English properly. That's why before speaking English I have completed the grammatical rules. And ma'am, few minutes ago you have told me you have watched so many grammatical video. And ma'am, what do you think, is English grammar important for learning this language?
Yes, I think English grammar is important for speaking part, but not that much. If you want to speak English, you should at least know just basic grammar like tenses, modal verbs, and causative like this. So grammar is not that much important, but yes, you should learn just basic fundamental grammar.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, right now, so you are speaking English very well. There is no doubt. But nowadays, what kind of channel do you follow for improving your English skill?
Actually, this time I am not following that much English channels because I'm a farmer, so I have to do a lot of I have to do a lot of stuff in my you can say field. So I have a lot of work. I have recently done harvesting of onion and storing of onion, and nowadays I am working in my fields like peanut crop and beans like this. So I don't get that much time, but when I watch sometime conversation videos only. Now I am not now I am not following grammar videos and the another video, but I am watching just conversation videos like your videos, Meenu ma'am, like some YouTubers, Alka ma'am,
Yes,
then Ritu ma'am.
yes,
So yeah, them videos I watch.
yes. And ma'am, being a housewife, you have a lot of work in your house, and you have two children, and right now also you are learning this language. And how do you manage your time?
Actually, that's why I was telling you my schedule is quite hectic. इकडे रे. My sorry. Actually, my time is very. You can say my schedule is very hectic. But somehow, if you want to learn something, you should just have consistency is need. So that's why it is a very essential part to
Yes,
consistent to learn something. So that's why I just watch English content on YouTube while working household chores like cooking and you can say like doing the dishes. I put my mobile on the kitchen and then I work and simultaneously I watch videos. And so when I work in my field, that time I put my mobile in my pocket and I listen some English podcast. So like this I do practices.
yes, yes, yes. Right now also you are doing a good job. Right now you are also doing a good job. And ma'am, I know also practice is the most important key, and consistency is very important. Yeah, always you have to speak regular basis. And ma'am, first of all, please tell me, and how much time do you practice every single day?
Sometime if I get time, I speak on audio call also while working. But sometime when I don't get time, that time I don't speak that much. इकडे. I don't get that much time, but when I get some time, that time I forgot whatever I wanted to say.
Yes, yes.
So, yeah, when I get time, that time I just try to learn.
Yes, yes.
Actually, my children are bothering me. Sorry to interrupt, but there is no one to take care of them, so I have to take care of them. That's why it is, I think, interrupting our conversation. So sorry for that.
Yes. And ma'am, you are also learning this language for your children, yeah?
Yes, right.
And do you
Because they, yeah.
do you teach English at your house to your children?
No, actually, my children are just 3 years old. They are twins, so they are just 3 years old. So that's why they are. I have started my speaking journey just 1 month ago. So that's why my children are habitual with my regional language Marathi, and when I try to speak with them, they just imitate, but they don't understand that much. But I am
Yes.
trying to teach them.
Yes, yes. And
Yes.
ma'am, you are using this application, Skype application, and when did you join in this application?
Actually, I had a session with Nutandeep ma'am 1.5 months ago. That time, she. I had a conversation with her, so she joined me on some Skype group. From that time, I have started my speaking journey. You can say before that, I had some sessions with some YouTubers like Shweta ma'am and Muleshwari, and another one is I don't remember that much, but yeah, there are 2 or 3 YouTubers. I had some session with them. But when Nutan ma'am added me on Skype groups, so after that I started. But recently I got many experience. I got experiences that some people don't want to speak just because they are not getting recording. So they just want to raise them channel, and I don't think it is it is a bad thing. If someone wants to make career in YouTube, so it is good thing, because everyone wants to earn money, and
Yes,
it is
yes.
not bad thing. But sometimes what happens when people want to speak with us and they start session, that time I had experience that when they don't get recording, so suddenly they got disconnected the call. So
Yes.
that's why I lost my interest to speak on video calls with YouTubers. So that's why nowadays I don't prefer to have video calls with YouTubers. But you texted me twice or thrice, and I didn't have that much. I don't have time, but I thought you have texted me, so I should take time, and I should manage my time, and I should have a session with you.
Yes, yes. I tried to connect with you for a long time, and that's why also I say
Yes, yes, right,
I
right.
sent to you the message. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. Right now, also you are using this application, and earlier did you use another application for audio call purpose?
Actually, I had used S Fluency, but not that much. Just five or six calls. I attend on. I had attended on S Fluency, but I got bad experience. Sometime people initially people speak with you very good manner, and after some time they start to be personal, and they start to speak with you in a very personal manner. So I don't like that. I didn't like that thing on S Fluency. So I removed that app, and then I never use any app for audio call purpose. But
Yes.
now I have some. Now I have some WhatsApp ladies groups, so I practice over there.
Yes, you're right. I earlier I used to use the Exfluency application, but after using this application, I noticed that who are learning this language, who are beginner, and who are using this that application. On this application, they are not learning this language very seriously. After speaking 2 minutes or 3 minutes, they disconnect the call without any reason. I noticed that. But in the Skype application, who are learning this language, who are beginner, they are learning this language very seriously.
Yes, yes, right, right. It is, yeah. I have the idea about this, because I have learning this. I have been using this app at least 1.5 months. So yeah, who wants to learn this language? So there are every people, we can say every people are very serious to learning this language on Skype.
Yes, and ma'am,
I totally agree.
you belong to village area. I belong to village area. I know properly. For learning this language, I had to struggle a lot because there is a no good English environment. No one speak English in my at my house. No one speak English in my locality. That's why I had to struggle a lot for learning this language. And ma'am, you belong to village area, but what kind of problem did you face for learning this language?
Okay, so being a villager, I want to tell you that there is no any atmosphere to speak English in village, because if you go in cities, there are many well-educated people. You just at least you speak with them in English. But if you talk about village area, so there is no any atmosphere. People don't want to speak in English. In a Indian city, there is a big fear, big propaganda about English language, that who are well educated, who are rich, and you can say manners people, they are just they can just speak English. But it's not like that. English is not more than a language. It is just a language. So first we need to understand that it is not more than language, and then we will get to know that how easy the language is. When we start speak in our mother tongue, that time we are so small, but by listening we try to understand and we learn. So we should understand that English is a language just like our mother tongue, and we should try we should try just little sentences, little word, and then we will get to know. Some people are saying that English is not English is very tough to learn, but I can say that I would say that English is a very easy language to learn. If you want to learn this language, you should just start speaking, and you should just start learning like basic things, and you will get to know how easy the language is. Because I haven't done any you can say I haven't go any coaching center, and I haven't took classes from other you can say English professors and who are very good in English, but I have learned this language just throughout the YouTube. So I can understand that how easy this is, but we should just overcome the fear about this language. So
Yes,
yeah, that
yes.
is my opinion.
Yes, you are absolutely right. I totally agree with you. Actually, if you have a self confidence, and if you have if you have a knowledge of basic English grammar, you can learn this language very easily. And practice is the most important key. Always you have to practice regular basis. Yeah, and ma'am, I'd like to ask one question to you. And do you have a YouTube channel?
No, I don't have any YouTube channel. I'm just learning this language, and I don't have that much time to run a YouTube channel, because running YouTube channel is not my cup of tea. I have a lot of work to do, because I have twins. They are 3 years old. I have a lot of work in my field to do, and my mother-in-law is also surviving GPS. So that's why I don't get that much time. I'm learning this language just throughout working, and just while working. So
Yes.
that's why, and it is the time-taking process. Uploading a video, it is a time-taking process, and I haven't that much time. So that's why I don't think I should start my own YouTube channel, because of my time. I can't manage this time for YouTube channel. So that's why I don't have, and I don't think that I should start.
Yes, yes. And in future, will you open a YouTube channel? What do you think about the YouTube channel in future?
Actually, sir, if I get chance, I will I would like to start my own YouTube channel.
And ma'am, I'd like to ask one question to you right now. So you belong to village area, and you are learning this language, and you in your localities there are so many people, and are they know about yourself? I mean, you are learning this language.
Actually, some people knows, but I don't tell people that I'm learning this language and I'm speaking this language. But there are some people who knows about I'm speaking and learning English. And yeah, there are just few people who are my neighbors and my relatives, but not that much.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, right now also you are learning this language, and what kind of comments are you getting from your locality, from your friend circle, from your relatives? Are you getting bad comments? Are you getting good comments? What kind of comments are you getting?
Actually, if you talk about my relatives and my neighborhood, so every people are appreciating me that I'm learning this language, and they are admiring me. So yeah, it is very good. People comments are very good towards my learning English journey. So yes, I can say it is very good. I feel very good when they think that I'm learning this language, and it is good thing. They
Yes, yes.
just want to learn. Yeah, they just speak. They just tell me that we also, if we get chance, we will also learn this language. But we don't have that much potential to learn this language, and they have fear. So because of the fear, they don't want to learn this language. But even they get chance, they also tell me that we would like to learn English. But yeah, everyone has a hectic schedule, because we live in a rural area and we have a lot of work to do. So that's why that's why they don't prefer to learn this language. But yes, right, they wants to learn this language.
Yes, yes, you're right. And ma'am, what is your future plan? What is your goal?
Actually, I haven't any future goal. I'm just learning this language because of my children. They will go to school next year, and I want to teach them. Because if you talk about if you talk about our schools, so there is no any atmosphere to speak English, and teacher have knowledge about English, but they don't prefer to prefer to speak in English. So that's why children are also not prefer to speak in English. They have fear, because they know that when them teacher are not speaking English. They are just they are just teaching English in our regional language Marathi.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's why student have also don't idea.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's why I want to teach my children by myself. So that's why I'm learning. But I haven't any future goal because I have a lot of my husband has 10 acres of land. So whatever we earn, it is, you can say, more than an engineer, and we don't need to go anywhere for job. And I don't need any job. If I want to be a teacher in English medium, I will get job because of my English. But what is the problem if I go to search a job of a teacher in English medium? In English medium, they will give me just 10,000 of salary. But when we hire some laborers in our field, so that time we have to pay more than 10 and 15,000. So that's why our villagers families families doesn't you can say allow for that. So that is the problem. And apart from that, we can't do any type of job in villages.
Yes,
We
yes.
can do just yes. So that's why I don't have another job purpose. I'm learning English. So yeah, I'm learning just for my children.
Yes, yes. Always you have to make a good English environment at your house for your children. If you make this
Yeah.
kind of good English environment at your house, they can learn this language very easily. Environment is very important. But in your locality, there is no good English environment. That's why also you have to struggle a lot for learning this language. But if you make a good English environment for your children at your house, they can learn this language very easily. Yeah.
Yes, right.
All right, ma'am. It was nice conversation with you. You are also speaking English very well, and I have learned so many things by connecting with you. Yeah. All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good
Okay,
day.
sir. Yes, nice to meet you also, and thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak with you. And it was very good session with you. And yes, thank you for all of your you can say regarding.
All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Okay, bye. Have a good day to you.